Let me show you how to set a Whirlpool made vertical modular washer on the automatic test mode. This is how you could tell if you have a Whirlpool made vertical modular washer. If your washer has 6 lights like this under the cycle selector knob and also have a start button like this one, you have a Whirlpool made vertical modular washer. Whirlpool manufactures these washers with many brand names like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag Centennial, Roper, Estate, KitchenAid, and many more brands. Before you could set the washer on the automatic test mode, you will need to activate the diagnostic test mode. Set the cycle selector knob in this position. You only have 6 seconds to do the procedure that I'm going to show you next. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left and 1 click to the right. If all the LED lights start blinking except for the lip lock light, the washer is on the diagnostic test mode. To put it on the automatic test mode, do the following. Turn the cycle selector knob 2 clicks to the right until the spin light is on. Then push on the start button to start the automatic test mode. Leave the washer alone for 10 to 15 minutes until it finishes the automatic test mode. The automatic cycle is done when the only light on is the done light. Push on the start button for 3 seconds to turn the washer off. On the next video, I will show you how to set the washer on the fault display mode to see if the washer have any problems or faults. You could subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. This way you will be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.